Hey mom, today is Sunday and I'm getting bored. Can we do something interesting today?
Yes, Janvi. What do you like to do? Janvi, would you like to go to the fair? I can see there is an advertisement that a fair is set up in our city.
Yes mom, I'm very excited.
Okay, then let's go.
Mom, look at all these amazing stalls. There's so much to see. Where should we start?
How about we check out the food stalls first? I am sure you will be hungry after the long walk.
Sure. Oh, look, that stall has a sign that says we accept all cards. Does that mean they don't allow cards?
No, Janvi. The word accept here means they agree to take cards as a form of payment. You might be confusing it with accept, which means to exclude.
They sound similar but have different meanings. Oh, I see. Like accept means to take in and accept means to leave out. That makes sense.
Exactly. Do you know these are known as homophones? Homophones are tricky because they sound alike but have different meanings and spellings. Let me give you a few more examples while we explore the fair. Look over there, Janvi. The sign says, "Alter your luck by playing this game." Here, alter means to change. But if you see altar, it refers to a place of worship.
That's so interesting. I never thought about it that way. What's another one? See that sign? It says, "Bear with us as we set up." Here, bear means to tolerate. But bare means uncovered, like bare feet. I guess if you can't bear the weight, you might go barefoot in frustration. That's a good one. And look, there's a stall that says sale on all items.
Remember, sale means products are being sold at a discount. But sail is what a boat does on the water.
And there's a kettle. So kettle is a container for liquid, but cattle are animals like cows and bulls.
Perfect. You're getting the hang of it. And what about heal and heal? Heal means to cure, while heel is the back part of your foot.
I bet the heel of your foot might need to heal if you walk too much at the fair.
Exactly. And one more. Peace and peace. Peace is a portion of something and peace is calmness.
Like if I want a piece of cake, I need some peace and quiet to enjoy.
You're a natural, Janvi. Let's get that piece of cake now. You deserve it for learning so much about homophones today.
Thanks, Mom. This fair is the best and so are our homophone lessons.
Anytime, sweetheart. Now let's enjoy the rest of the fair.
Look, Mom. It says pop a balloon to win a prize. So pop to burst and pup is a young dog, right?
Yes, exactly. And there is another one. Break and break. Brake is what slows down a vehicle, while break means to smash into pieces.
And floor is what we use for baking, but flour is what we see in the garden.
Great job! And how about root and root? Root is a part of a plant, and route is the way or path to get somewhere.
This is so much fun. I think I've got another one. Stationery means still, and stationery is for writing materials.
Yes, you are getting really good at this. Now don't forget steel and steel. Steel means to take without permission, and steel is a strong metal.
And tail is part of an animal, but tail is a story, right?
Absolutely. And look, there is a sign for not, which means the opposite of yes.
I love learning new things like this. Let's find more homophones as we enjoy the fair.
That sounds like a plan, Janvi. Let's keep exploring.
Sure, Mom.